Is your localized application interface shim apps broken by the API module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before we begin the manual steps for API module, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the API module, a generic localized application interface module. It is frequently utilized as a localized bridge or shim to link unmanaged localized plugins to a host core, such as in game engines or specialized CAD software. Essential for localized module extensibility. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Since API module DLL is an embedded part of the localized application interface shim architecture, you should perform a clean reinstall of the application that triggered the message to ensure all proprietary components are restored to their proper paths. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the API module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. It is important to avoid manual installation of API module DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If you're addressing API module inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. To keep API module running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.